These small wooden car making videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And take a look at this Instagram page they have just started and already pulled in over 2,000 followers purely by posting this exact style of content. And some of his videos have already racked up insane number of views. And now watch what I had created in 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode, select your desired aspect ratio, and select OmniFlash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now come to designated vehicle section in the prompt. Here you can type any car you want. For example, I'm going black BMW. Now click generate. Wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your wooden car making video. And boom, here it is. Your BMW car video is ready. That's how you can create endless variations using this with any car you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Himan Hub, so you don't miss the next viral niche